Okay, so this is the basically the insane stunt cars. There's two of them. There's the Tyco and the Lunatic. Okay, and these are just fun RC cars. You know they're normally $29. I bought them on a wholesale closeout, and these are just fun cars. They take 4 AA batteries. You charge this thing all the time. That's all you need to do. You don't need batteries for this. You just need to keep it charged. You basically throw it on the floor, and they're just a fun car to run around in. Of course, they run away right from you. They run away from you. You basically left side controls this, so you can go like this, or you can go right, which you go right, or if you go back, then they go forward, or they go backward. Okay, so it's got full remote. They're just fun stunt cars, and they have really no a top or a bottom because they're both colored. Look at that. Battery's dead. I didn't charge it long enough. See that? But here, watch this. Okay, so this is what's so great. You just plug it in. So right now the batteries aren't in, well, it was out of range. I didn't charge it right long because it charges a long time. The kids will have a blast on Christmas Day with this thing. These things are normally, I've got them at, I bought them, they were $29.99. I got them for $12.99. I'm going to put them at $9.99. I'm just going to sell them for $8 a piece for Cyber Monday. $8 a piece. You can get two. There's a Tyco and the Lunatic baby for $8 over at the link. Click, hit the notification or hit the buy button in the below. It will click you right to our website. You can buy these Cyber Monday Lunatic stunt cars, RC, great at ProTinkerToys.com.